Happy Halloween! I'm the Dark Fairy from the Dark Forest. Want to come and dance around my fairy circle? Come with me, loves. Hey guys, Lady Borgia, and welcome! I have done the Dark Fairy of the Dark Forest for you all, and I am so excited. I have so many Halloween videos coming for you guys. You guys asked for everything from beginner to harder, and this one actually really isn't that hard. I show you how to paint the branches and whatnot, little highlights. The eye look is actually pretty darn easy. There's no precision to it. It just kind of looks cool. So come with me. Everything that I have on, I have included in the description box. Any makeup you need, the accessories, whatnot, are all very inexpensive, and it will be all my Amazon affiliate links, which are safe for you, and also help me out a little bit because I can do more of these for you guys after Halloween. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ding, hit that bell, because I have lots coming, and a lot of it's not going to be on schedule. It's going to be as many as I can put out because I have so many. My crown, it's actually 2 pieces of things, but very reasonable. Your girl found some really good stuff for you this year. All right, let's go. Become the Dark Fairy of the Dark Forest. Okay, we have done our eyebrows, ABH primer on the eyes, and I have taped them off. And we're going to start out with the Blue Blood palette, Blue Blood with a 321, and just pack that in. And then we're going to go into Flourishing with the same brush and just pack her over to the tape. And then we're going to go into Sample Beauty Hydrographic Palette with Lagoon. Definitely watch the video above because there's something about it. And we're going to start blending out Flourishing a bit, and then with a clean 507 we're going to go into I'm Cold and start blending out the previous blue, and then we're going to take Mint Tea, blend above that, and bring the Mint Tea also over the green, and then we're going to go into Dory from the Hydrographic and tuck that right in the upper outer V, but we're going to leave the lower V alone, so just that outer. And then Decease, that pretty shimmer, and a very small flat brush, and just tuck that in a little more and just blend up slightly. You don't want to go up the whole eye. And then some P. Louise black base or gel liner, anything creamy eyeliner, and get it down to the lash line, and only bring it up part of the way, because then we're going to take a synthetic brush and a bulletproof black matte eyeshadow, and we're going to pack that on there like crazy. Pack, and then a little defining brush, and we're going to start blowing it out. We're going to smoke her out, and then we're going to go back and with a flat brush and Soot in Stars, which is black with a silver reflect, and pack that on over the black. Yes, and then we're going to go back into Flourishing, I'm Cold, and Deceased. And in order the way we went before, we're going to take Flourishing, blend it out, and the other two, and just keep blending out so we can blow out that look. So it's going to be very blown out and smoked out. See how one eye is nice and smoky and the other one's still got a line. And then we're going into Ocean Ice, and the inner half of the eye down close to the black, we're going to smoke it out a little more and bring in some of those deep blues. And then a little bit of Cullinan just underneath. Yeah, Vampire Sparkle, right. And take that Smashbox primer, put it all over your face, and it will help to prevent staining. And then the Mehron Cream White Stick, you could use Clown White too. Oh yeah, test out eyeliner, got it all over my nose. That was smart. But I like the Cream White better because it's a little on the light side, but I can link both below for you. And then just take that Morphe big buffing foundation brush and buff the crap out of it down your neck, on your ears, whatnot, and then the green from NYX, and we're going to start laying color. Ooh. And then the blue cream stick from Mehron, and just a little bit, you're contouring, but a lot heavier. And then I'm taking a flat brush to buff that out. We want her dimension, you know, multi-dimensional. So you don't just want one color, you're gonna build on the colors. And buff and buff. And then we're gonna go into the black cream stick. You could use a flash palette. I will link a reasonable one below. I have the Makeup Forever one. These cream stick colors fun. Don't go too far down the face or you will give yourself a beard. And then take a setting powder to set all of it. I will link several below. If you can use baby powder if you need to. And then Sugar Pill Velocity to set that up and start contouring the nose. And then this beautiful shimmer Paranoid from KVD. Bring it right up to the eyebrow so we can give her nose, you know, a nice look. And then Sugar Pills Midori to carve out that cheekbone really close to the cheekbone. And then blue and green highlighter. You could use the Alchemist palette too, or Moonchild from ABH. This is just what I grabbed. Keep that highlight high into the back of the cheekbone. And then Morphe eyeliner and lock it for the lower and upper tight lining of the eye. And then we're going to go into water activated paints. This happens to be Wolf in black for the tree and the branches. I suggest you look at a picture of like a shadow tree because this is more like a shadow picture than a realistic picture. Or you could just look at your branching headpiece because that would work too. And we're going to use it for eyeliner as well. If you want it to be waterproof, you could put Ben Nye Liquicet in it. I will link it below. I have a giant bottle of it. They have smaller ones for regular people, don't worry. And you're probably going to want to use some barrier spray at the end too. I will link that. And some people use it for regular makeup too because it's so good. And then we're going to go back to the other eye and with our little brush and then just make little teeny branches. And you know, the little nubs you see on branches, it's very organic. And then dance it out. You got to dance it out. You don't want to be stressed. And then we take the white Wolf Hydra colors. You could also use Tag. I like the ones with paraffin bases better for detail work. And the glycerin like Mehron works better for big washes, but you could use either. And just do highlights. You pick where the light is coming from. A lot of people like to highlight focusing the light on the center of the face. So you want to highlight the side that's towards the center if you're going to pick that way. And we're just going to go down the tree. Take your time. Yes, I'm dancing while I do it. I dance during most things. And just have some fun. Bring it down and then tap it out. If you do use Liquicet, you can't tap it out, it won't blend. And then get creepy. Get creepy for a while. It's good. Yes, and laugh it out. We gotta laugh it out. And then we're gonna go into Tag paint, which is from their 12 shade palette. That is a great starter palette. Wolf also has a great starter palette too, and they're also really great for taking places. I'll link them below. And you just put the blue in for shadow work, and then lashes, lipstick, and accessories, and don't forget the berry spray. Ooh. And here she is. Oh, the dog fairy of the dog forest. Oh, okay. All right, guys, that was a lot of fun. I have to say I learned something about this wig and putting it on, and I accidentally dragged it on the makeup on my forehead, but luckily, thank God, I paint quickly and just touched it up really fast. This one's actually pretty good, and it's really inexpensive, although I think actually no, there's like no hair falling out. I should do a review about it. Okay, I gotta get going. It's time for me to go to bed, and the dog fairy has got to get going. She's gonna go entice people to go dance in the dark forest and do all kinds of other mischievous things that fairies like to play with humans. All right, I love you all. Happy Halloween, and don't forget, hit that notification bell because I will have all kinds of things coming all kinds of times, and Instagram too. I will be uploading as soon as possible. Can't wait for tomorrow so I can do another one. All right, love you all. Happy Halloween. Be safe the whole month, and I'll see you soon. Lady Borgia.